Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Part-Time IT Investor. Today is 25th of August. I hope you had a very good and profitable day today. Okay, so जैसे हमने कल डिस्कस किया था, the way we had discussed yesterday, market open exactly at same level and remains in the same range. Okay, so we can quickly go ahead and check how our yesterday analysis perform in today's market. हम लोग quickly check करेंगे हमने जो कल analysis किया था वो आज के मार्केट में कैसे परफॉर्मेंस दिया है. Okay, so let's go ahead and quickly check. But before we move to the next topic, okay, if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. This is our channel Part-Time IT Investor. अगर आप नए हैं मेरे चैनल पे, so please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment to our channel. So जैसे हम देख सकते हैं गाइज आज मार्केट 25,000 के नीचे क्लोज हुआ है. ओके, सो दिस इज नॉट अ गुड थिंग, ये अच्छी बात नहीं है हमारे मार्केट के लिए. सो वी नीड टू बी वेरी केयरफुल फॉर द अपकमिंग इवेंट्स. ओके, नाउ लेट्स गो अहेड एंड क्विकली चेक. Okay, so if you see guys, okay, so this snapshot I had taken from yesterday video which I posted. Okay, you can go ahead and check in my video list of analysis what went done on 24th of August. So I have clearly mentioned that market can open around 24,950, okay, and it can remain between 25,000 to 25,150, and below the support level will be around 24,700. These are the four levels which we discussed yesterday, okay, and as well as opening, okay. So exactly at this opening, okay, 24,050 market opened. Okay, so the main concern which we were having is that this gap which was created. So मुझे लग रहा था कि gap आज के आज ही close हो जाएगा. I was expecting the market will close this gap, okay, over here. So not over here guys, okay, to 24,000 today only, but unfortunately it didn't. Okay, so not an issue guys I think, but since we have a major event on 27th of August. Okay, so on 27th August, we will know whether 50% tariff will be implemented on India or not. Okay, हमको 27 तारीख को पता चलेगा कि 50% tariff implement होगा या नहीं होगा हमारे ऊपर. Okay, so even though the impact on economy is not that big, but since it's so it is like a negative news. Okay, market can react and this will be the opportunity to close the gap which is created, okay, which is 24,700. Okay, so that's what I'm expecting. Let's see how market will perform tomorrow as well. But before we move to that, हम लोग check करेंगे who were the top performer and top loser in today's market. We will check which were the top performing stop and top loser in today's market. Okay, all right. So in today's market, we can see the major one segment which was dominating was IT. Since Fed is planning to do the rate cut, the biggest beneficiary will be TCS because dollar index will again come down. Okay, dollar index. So that will again strengthen the currency for US and that will be good for the market, IT market. Okay, but I will not be too much optimistic on IT because these are just based upon the, we can say, news, because this company also start giving good quarterly profit. Okay, so this I will not quickly jump into TCS and other things. Okay, though I have purchased TCS at around 3,000. Okay, and I will be already sitting on 4% profit. My target would have been done, but I think this opportunity I will take up to exit my swing trade. But unless we see a good quarterly number, okay, I don't think so we will be seeing the good recovery in IT. Okay, so let's see how things will go. So at the negative side, there is no specific sector which is being hit. It is just a normal profit booking which we can see. कोई particular sector नहीं है जो कि आज गिरा था guys. Profit booking ये normal hardly 1%, 0.5%. Okay, so the specific sector which was impacted positively was IT today. Okay, so I think that is a good news. So far, at least this momentum will continue if we are able to reach 25K. Okay, on Nifty. All right. Okay, now let's go ahead and quickly check on the chart how market will trade for tomorrow. Okay, we are on the chart. Okay, so as we can see guys, हमने कल जो लेवल यहाँ पे ड्रॉ किए थे अराउंड 25,035. ओके, यहीं से निफ्टी ने रेजिस्टेंस लेके रिवर्सल दिया है, यू कैन सी ओवर हियर. Okay, so this was the exact level. So since we have a big event on 27th of August, okay, and unfortunately we also have holiday, okay, in market. Okay, so there can be big gap up or gap down on 20th of August, which is the expiry of Nifty. Okay, 27th को हॉलीडे है तो 20th को एक्सपायरी है निफ्टी की, तो गैप अप और गैप डाउन हो सकता है बेस्ड अपॉन 27th पे क्या डिसीजन आता है. Okay, so based upon all this factor, I'm considering that market will trade between this range only. Okay, which is 25,000 to 35 to 24,850. Okay, so whenever market generally trade in this range, okay, so the best option strategy which is being followed in this scenario is straddle. Okay, so what we do in straddle, I will simply cover in short. Okay, we will sell both PE as well as CE. Okay, for at the money. जो भी at the money रहेगा for 50 minutes candle, we will sell both the P and C and we will eat away the premium. Okay. Only risk to this strategy is that if market is very volatile, if it let's say suddenly go up or suddenly go down, we will start losing money. Okay. So अगर मार्केट बहुत ज़्यादा ऊपर जाता है या नीचे जाता है तो हमारा स्ट्रैडल जो रहेगा, ओके, दैट विल स्टार्ट ब्लीडिंग मनी. सो व्हाट इज द बेस्ट चेक विच आई डू फॉर दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग इफ आई वांट टू ऑटोमेट अ थिंग. तो मैं क्या करता हूँ बेसिकली, आई विल कीप अ टैब ऑन इंडिया विक्स. ओके, सो लेट मी ओपन द इंडिया विक्स. ओके, सो ये हमारा इंडिया विक्स है गाइस. लेट मी जूम इट फॉर यू गाइस. ओके, सो दिस इज अवर इंडिया विक्स एंड आप लोग यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं, यू कैन सी दैट दिस इज अवर लेवल फ्रॉम वेयर always we have seen India VIX bouncing back. Okay, so if India VIX will bounce back from over here to the top side, okay, then we will see a fall in Nifty. Okay, so I'm expecting that market will remain in this range of 12. Okay, if India VIX crosses 12, okay, then I think if I'm creating a strategy, okay, for straddle tomorrow, I will exit the strategy if India VIX goes above 12. Okay, so I have not yet decided whether I will go ahead with the straddle tomorrow. I can go as well because based upon my personal commitment in terms of time which I'll be having, so I will be maintaining the strategy which I'm holding, but I can also add another strategy. Okay, so that I will just take a decision tomorrow morning. But just a thumb rule, if I create a straddle, then I will maintain the straddle till India VIX doesn't cross 12 or 12.2. Okay, so then that is the word of caution. We have already discussed level. Level will be 24, 25,000, 35 to 24. Let me give it. Okay, so level will be 25,035, which I am targeting to 24,850. This level I am targeting, and VIX I am targeting that it should remain below 12.2. Okay, so that is the plan for me for tomorrow's straddle. Okay, all right. So I think this we are done. Now let's go ahead and quickly check the strategy which how was the performance of our strategy. Okay. Okay. So we are here. Okay, in the deploy strategy in the strict platform. So if I would have kept my strategy as it is, okay, I would have been profit of 1,200 rupees minus 150 rupees, so almost 1,000 rupees I would have been profit. This is a modified bull butterfly which we have discussed. Okay, this was a modified bull butterfly which I had created I think a couple of days back. Okay, but today I did some experimentation which I want to do because there was something which I want to try in live market. So ultimately I didn't ended up in this strategy. I exited on actual sensible platform, which I will cover in short, and I have entered into the bear condor. Okay, so basically what bear condor is strategy like this. Okay, I am over here, so like this. So I will be having limited loss of 500 rupees, but if it falls as low as 24,700, which I am expecting, I will be making profit of 3,000 rupees. Okay, so that is my strategy, which I will cover into the sensible, which I am currently holding. Okay, let's jump to the sensible. Okay, so here I'm at sensible. So I think yesterday I was in profit of 300 rupees. Okay, but since I did some experimentation today that didn't went well. Okay, in early morning hours. Okay, so you can see this explanation I was trying to do. I will not cover much, but I converted everything, exited everything, and I have created a modified beer condo. Okay, I will see over here. So this is the strategy, guys. You can see over here. So if it expires, I will be in 581 rupees loss. But let's say it comes down to around 24,630. Okay, I will be in 2,500 rupees profit. Okay, so by tomorrow end of the day, I might add another PE at the buy side because मुझे guys 24,700 आएगा. Okay, इसकी probability ज़्यादा लग रही है. Okay, so accordingly I will be adding another PE option. मैं तो PE option add करूँगा मेरे strategy में before the end of market day. Okay, for 20th of August. At least that will be my plan. Okay, so guys, I'm not a sebi advisor, so please check with your financial advisor. I'm just sharing the plan which I am implementing. Okay, so please do check with your financial advisor for making any trading decision or investment decision. Okay, just a disclaimer. Okay, so this is a plan for me. Now let's go ahead and quickly check the open interest. Okay, so open interest, if you see, guys, we are having, okay, now here over here we are open interest. So PCR is still bearish, we can say, okay, based upon the PCR ratio. But if you see, we are seeing the call covering. Okay, so many people have exited the call from strike rate of 25,000. Okay, and at 24,900, and we are having a strong put rating at around 24,900. Okay, and strong call rating at 25,000. So based upon this, I think we can expect market to remain range bound. Okay, like we discussed today in the chart, it can be 25,035 to 24,850. Between this range, market can remain based upon the open interest uh, strategy over here. Okay. All right, now let's go ahead and quickly check the FI data. I hope they have updated it. Okay, they have. Okay, we can see, guys, DIs are buying, FIs are selling as usual. So guys, जब तक के FIs buy नहीं करेंगे, till FIs start buying, I don't think so we will be sustaining about 25k. That's why I'm betting on 24,700. Okay, at least मेरा पैसा तो 24,700 के ऊपर ही है जो आएगा. From here, if reversal goes, then yes, I think, and if something improves, then I will go full bullish. Okay, so that is the case. And if I see the future, in future they are bullish, but not with that much of OI changes. If I see the option, in option also they are bullish. Okay, but if you see, guys, okay, these are not big level. Okay, at the call side. So this is confusing data at least. Based upon this data, I think we were expecting that market will remain bearish today, which happened. But this data, I am not convinced. Okay, so mostly it will try to remain range bound. Let's see if it broke 25,050 level, it can further see 25,150, but it's hardly unlikely tomorrow. Okay, they will try to keep the market range bound. That's the expectation. All right. Okay, so I think that's it on the labels and open chart. Okay, what next? I think our swing trade. Okay, the swing trade which I'm carrying. Let's quickly see. Hope the updates are there. Okay, what list? So TCS, I think we have at least I have entered at around 3,000. Now I'm already in profit of, let's say, I think 4%. So I can think of booking profit as well, but I will keep it. Okay. So I will take a call. CDSL trading neutral. Dr. Labs, I think trading neutral. Larsen Turbo breached 3,600. Camp Surveys, I think, has fallen a bit. It has not breached 4K level. Other power, it has not come to my purchasing level of 550. So overall, only TCS is performing, guys. Okay, so that too I think will be taken as an opportunity to exit by the big players. So does I, because 4% is good for me, guys, at least. because FD is giving 4% now. Okay, 4-5%. So if I'm getting 4% in I think 20 trading session, I think I will book this profit for TCS. All right. So I think that's it from my side, guys. Okay. So if you are new to my channel, okay, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Okay. So this is our channel. Okay. And if you have not seen my video of automation, guys, okay, at least for where is that? This VWAP. Please do check this out. This is very useful strategy. Yes, I know. I think I was supposed to create a strategy a video on Nifty B. Okay, my apologies for that. I have already created a material for that. It's just that I am not getting time to create a video. So I think tomorrow I will try to post this video which I have created. I have back tested, and I am also planning to to deploy the strategy live in the market starting next month because I wanted don't wanted to deploy the strategy in the volatile situation where on 27th of August we will know where market will gap or gap down. Okay, but yes, if market gaps down to around 24,700, I will definitely deploy the strategy of Nifty Bs for sure. Okay, so that's the plan for me, guys. Okay, so I hope you had a very good day today ahead. See you in the morning. Thank you very much. Bye.